The light of honesty. In the heart of Lahore, a young girl named Aisha lived with her widowed mother in a small but humble home. Despite their struggles, Aisha always carried a bright smile and a heart full of faith. She was known in her neighborhood for her kindness, intelligence, and unwavering honesty. A hard-working dreamer, Aisha's mother worked as a tailor, sewing clothes late into the night to make ends meet. Wanting to ease her mother's burden, Aisha started tutoring younger children in the community after school. She believed that education was the key to a better future, and she never let hardship shake her faith in Allah's plan. One day, while walking to school, Aisha saw a wallet lying on the ground. She picked it up and found a large sum of money inside. She could have kept it. After all, her family was struggling, but her heart knew better. Islam taught her that honesty is a great virtue, a test of character. Determined to find the owner, she looked around and saw a distressed elderly man searching the ground. "Chacha, are you looking for something?" she asked gently. "Yes, Peter," the man sighed. "I lost my wallet, and it has all my money for my grandson's medical treatment." Aisha's heart swelled with relief and happiness. She handed him the wallet with a sincere smile. The man's eyes filled with tears of gratitude. Unexpected blessings. The elderly man turned out to be the owner of a well-known textile factory. He was deeply moved by Aisha's honesty and kindness. "The world needs more people like you," he said. "Tell me, Peter, what is your dream?" "I want to become a teacher and help children learn," Aisha replied. The man, inspired by her sincerity, decided to sponsor her education. Aisha's hard work, honesty, and faith in Allah had been rewarded in the most unexpected way. Moral of the story: honesty and hard work never go unnoticed. Allah tests us in different ways, but those who stay true to their values will always find doors opening for them. Aisha's story teaches us that success does not come only from wealth but from integrity, faith, and perseverance. Translate into Urdu.